Yes, you can permanently cancel your Bitly account. Canceling your Bitly account will erase all user-generated content, including shortened URLs, click analytics, and personal information like your email and name from Bitly's servers. It's a straightforward process done through the web interface. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible after a grace period. It's crucial to understand the difference between account deletion and deactivation when managing your Bitly account. Deletion is permanent, removing all your data, including link histories, aggregated metrics, and personal information from Bitly's servers. Deactivation, if available, merely suspends access to your account without actually removing your data. However, Bitly does not offer deactivation, only permanent deletion. Bitly's deletion process ensures that your link histories and aggregated metrics are also erased, aligning with their privacy policy, which emphasizes the right to erasure. Once deleted, your links become inaccessible. First, log into your Bitly account at bitly.com. Next, navigate to your profile settings, then to the Account section. Find and select the Delete Account option. You'll receive an email to verify the deletion. Confirm through the email. Wait for the confirmation. Note that links will immediately stop working, but the full deletion takes around 24 to 48 hours to process, with a 30-day grace period. According to Bitly's privacy policy, updated in 2024, they do not retain data after account deletion. This includes your personal information, link history, and analytics data. Once the deletion process is complete, all this information is purged from their servers. However, the links stop working as soon as the deletion request is made. Before you proceed, remember that deleting your account is permanent. Once confirmed, there's no way to reverse the process, and all your data will be completely removed from Bitly's servers. All your shortened links will immediately become inaccessible, and any associated analytics data, including click statistics and performance metrics, will be permanently deleted. This information cannot be recovered once the account is gone. If you're using a paid Bitly plan, you'll need to cancel your subscription through your billing settings before deleting the account. This ensures you don't continue being charged for a service you no longer want to use. Always back up any important data before deleting to avoid losing valuable information. Export your link lists, analytics reports, and any custom domains you might want to keep for future use. In late 2025, Bitly added a 30-day grace period. This means that after initiating the deletion, you have 30 days to recover your account if you change your mind or deleted it accidentally. This was implemented based on user feedback about accidental deletions. After this period, the deletion is irreversible. In 2025, influencer Jane Doe faced a data leak that exposed click data from over 10,000 shortened links on her Bitly account. Concerned about privacy risks, she decided to delete her account permanently. After logging in and navigating to account settings, she initiated the deletion process, received an email confirmation, and waited 72 hours for full data erasure. This case highlights how permanent deletion protects users from ongoing data exposure. Startup X underwent a rebranding in 2024 and needed to comply with data minimization laws under GDPR. They deleted their enterprise Bitly account to erase all historical analytics while preserving custom domains. The process involved canceling the paid subscription first, then initiating deletion through account settings. This allowed them to start fresh with new branding, demonstrating how deletion supports regulatory compliance and business transitions. User Y accidentally started the deletion process for their Bitly account in 2025, but used the 30-day grace period introduced that year to restore access. After initiating deletion and receiving the confirmation email, they realized the mistake and recovered within the window, saving 500 active links. This example shows the importance of understanding the grace period and backing up important links before deletion, as it prevents unintended data loss. Experts praise Bitly's deletion process as user-centric. Future trends include enhanced privacy and user control, driven by regulatory pressures. We may see more granular controls, such as selective data purging, and even integration of zero-knowledge proofs for data deletion verification. Always prioritize understanding your rights and verifying data erasure.